China has unleashed a weapon that rewrites the future of air combat. Not through speeches, not through trade disputes, but through the roar of engines and the shadow of stealth. Over 250 J-20 mighty dragons rise, carrying one chilling message. America's decades of air dominance may be ending tonight. Welcome to Aviation Heights, where we decode the military technologies shaping tomorrow's conflict. Today's focus: China's J-20 mighty dragon. It isn't sending just one signal. It delivers 5 powerful messages that America cannot ignore. Each one reshapes the battlefield of the Pacific. The J-20 isn't just another stealth fighter, it's a strategic wake-up call. Pentagon officials now face a reality where Chinese technology threatens to outpace America's. What happens over the Pacific won't just decide air superiority, it will shape alliances, economies, and the balance of global power for decades. China's first message through the J-20 is chillingly simple: mass production beats prestige. While America debates budgets, China is rolling out stealth fighters at an industrial pace. Over 100 J-20 aircrafts are being produced every single year, with projections of 1,000 aircraft by the 2030s. Compare this with the United States, where the F-22 Raptor program ended at just 187 jets, strangled by costs. Less than 15% of America's fleet is stealth, while China's grows monthly. Their pulsating assembly line allows multiple aircraft to be built simultaneously, cutting timelines in half. The lesson is brutal. China can replace losses faster than America can inflict them. Numbers win wars, and Beijing is proving it intends to flood the skies with dragons. Over 95% watch without subscribing. Don't be one of them. Hit subscribe now and type "message received" to join us. The J-20's second message is about reach, an advantage America can't ignore. With a combat radius of more than 1,200 miles, these stealth fighters can strike where U.S. planners once felt safe. In the Pacific, distance is everything. American carriers are forced to operate hundreds of miles from Chinese shores, leaving F-35s stretched to their absolute limits, utterly dependent on aerial tankers and AWACS surveillance planes. The J-20's warning is crystal clear. We can reach your lifelines, target the tankers, blind the AWACS, and America's power projection collapses. China doesn't need to fight U.S. jets directly. It simply needs to cut the fuel lines and silence the eyes in the sky. In asymmetric warfare, striking the support wins the war. The third message strikes at America's most prized edge: stealth. In 2024, Chinese scientists unveiled radar crystals that reportedly triple the detection range. Suddenly, the J-20 can spot F-22 Raptors and F-35s at distances no one expected. In air combat, first sight often means first kill, but China's advantage doesn't stop there. The J-20's brain fuses radar, infrared sensors, and electronic warfare into one unified battlefield view. It not only sees better, it interprets better. One dragon slipping deep into contested skies can silently feed intelligence to submarines, missiles, and drone swarms. The message is unmistakable. America's stealth advantage is fading fast. The hunters may now become the hunted. The J-20S, a 2-seat variant, delivers China's fourth message: tomorrow's warfare is already airborne. This isn't a trainer aircraft, it's a command hub. While one pilot flies the Dragon, the second directs swarms of autonomous attack drones. Imagine 6 drones scouting ahead, jamming radars, absorbing missiles, and striking targets, all under the guidance of a single stealth fighter. Even if the manned jet is downed, the drones keep fighting. It's no longer one pilot versus one pilot. It's man and machine overwhelming any defense. While America still tests swarm integration, China has operationalized it. The message is blunt. Yesterday's dogfights are over. The future belongs to those who master the human-machine alliance first. The final message isn't hidden in blueprints. It's visible on the flight line. China has already deployed more than 250 J-20s across 12 air brigades, each positioned at the most sensitive flashpoints. In the Eastern Theater, they face Taiwan and Japan. In the South, they guard the South China Sea. In the West, they shadow disputed borders. During exercises like Joint Sword, J-20s flew in mass formations around Taiwan, conducting over 100 sorties in coordinated strikes. Pentagon officials condemned the moves as destabilizing, diplomatic language for deep concern. The warning is obvious. These dragons aren't prototype. They're operational, combat-ready, and positioned for war today. Behind the J-20's roar lies its technological leap. The new WS-15 engine produces up to 20 tons of thrust, more powerful than the F-22's engines, granting true supercruise capability, flying supersonic without afterburners. Its stealth design is optimized not for perfection, but for practicality, frontal invisibility during high-speed attacks. This philosophy sacrifices all aspect stealth in favor of mass production. Inside its bays sit PL-15 missiles with estimated ranges up to 300 kilometers, outranging America's current air-to-air weapons. That means J-20s can strike long before U.S. fighters are within firing distance. Together, these choices prove China's strategy: quantity, reach, and tailored lethality. America isn't ignoring the Dragon's challenge. The Pentagon now treats the J-20 as a peer threat, not a copycat. U.S. pilots are training against scenarios where stealth no longer guarantees survival. At the same time, defense industries are accelerating sixth-generation fighter programs, drone integration, and advanced missile systems. Manufacturing reforms echo World War II's mobilization spirit, aiming to close the production gap. The message from Washington is clear. While China floods the skies, America adapts, innovates, and prepares to strike back smarter. The J-20's rise shakes more than air power. It unsettles the global order. Allies like Japan, Australia, and Taiwan now question whether U.S. dominance can still shield their security. Economically, China's military innovation showcases an industrial capacity that spills into civilian technology, signaling a broader technological ascendancy. Strategically, this forces new defense partnerships, technology sharing, and military investment across the Pacific. The message is unmistakable. China isn't just building jets, it's challenging America's leadership, reshaping alliances, and rewriting tomorrow's balance of power. 5 messages echo from the Dragon. Mass production overwhelms. Range strikes lifelines. Sensors erase stealth. Drones redefine combat. And deployment proves readiness. Together, they announce one reality: China intends to end uncontested American air dominance. Yet America has faced greater tests before. Innovation, alliances, and unmatched pilot skill remain its arsenal. The Eagle has always adapted, and it will rise again. The J-20 Mighty Dragon has delivered its 5 messages, challenging America's dominance in the Pacific skies. But this is not defeat. It's a wake-up call. The future will be decided by innovation, resilience, and strategy. If you found this breakdown valuable, like this video, subscribe for more deep military insights, and share your thoughts below. Stay alert, stay informed, and prepare for what's next.